A subscription voucher is the generic name for any ticket that isn't intended to be sold on its own, but rather as part of some kind of package. You can create traditional packages, like subscriptions where you get one ticket for each production, or you can create FlexPass packages where any voucher can be used on any show, and almost anything in between. But the way that you create the individual vouchers is the same. On the voucher type screen, you can see that I've already created subscriber vouchers for Hamlet and A Midsummer Night's Dream. That's 2 shows in our 3-show season, and I'm going to create a subscription package that gives you one ticket to each of the 3 shows. So the first thing we have to do is set up the voucher type for our 3rd show, which is going to be Macbeth. We'll set it up as a single subscriber voucher, and when you're setting up a traditional subscription, it's helpful to name the subscriber vouchers for the shows that each one can be redeemed for. This doesn't automatically create an association between the voucher and the show, but when the customer is viewing the website and trying to reserve their tickets, it'll make it obvious which tickets are valid for which productions. We don't need mail fulfillment for this kind of ticket, so I won't check this box. I will check this box because we'd like our customers to be able to automatically change or cancel their subscription reservations. I'm not checking qualifies buyer as a subscriber because the possession of this voucher itself doesn't tell us that the customer is a subscriber. They become a subscriber if they buy a package that we have designated as a subscription, and we're going to do that in just a moment. So for now, we'll create our subscriber voucher, and now we've got the 3 vouchers set up that we want to include into our package. Our package is set up just like any other kind of voucher, except that we have to set it up as a bundle. We'll call the bundle a regular subscription. Again, this is the name that the customer will see when they're on your website ready to buy their subscription. And we're going to price our subscription at $95. We will allow anyone to purchase this kind of subscription. It's a subscription for the 2013 season, and we'll say mail fulfillment is needed because we might want to send the customer a nice brochure thanking them for their subscription. And importantly, purchasing this package will qualify the buyer as a subscriber. This is where the magic happens, because unless somebody purchases a product that has this box checked, they won't show up as being a subscriber in Audience First. Now that we're ready, we'll create this bundle, and what happens is the page immediately reloads, and we can enter additional information. When does this bundle go on sale? Well, we'll allow our subscribers to start buying their season subscriptions around the beginning of September, and we'll keep subscriptions on sale until the beginning of our first production, which is in April 2013. Another video talks about promo codes, where you can publish discount codes that allow customers to get a discounted price, but for now we'll leave this as is. Now, the last part is where we specify how many of each type of voucher that we've set up are part of this package. You might remember that we already had set up some revenue vouchers as well as comps and these 3 subscription vouchers corresponding to our shows. But you'll notice that the revenue comps don't appear in this list. You can only create a package out of subscriber vouchers and comps. If you wanted to create the equivalent of the same revenue ticket but put it into a package, you need to create a new voucher type that's specifically marked as being a subscriber voucher. That will allow you to include it. In this case, we're going to allow one of each kind of ticket to be part of the subscription, but there's nothing stopping you from having more. For example, you could offer family packs where you get 2 or 3 tickets to each show at a discounted price. Finally, we save our changes. And now you can see that we've set up our regular subscription package for $95 that anyone may purchase, and it includes one each of these 3 types of tickets. If we click link, we can get a link that will take people to the subscription purchase page directly pre-populated for this package. And if we wanted to do a different version that was otherwise very similar, for example, the same subscription but for students at a reduced price, we could clone this subscription and just change the name. We're going to make it a student subscription and give them a discount. Everything else stays the same, so we can quickly create it. And now we've created the same package available to students for $75.